Symptoms of lupus. Lupus is a autoimmune chronic disease which is mistakenly produced by the overactivity of the immune system of the body. It is a multi-systemic disease. Multiple organs are affected by the antigen antibody fight reaction, by the abnormality in the DNA of the tissues and the immune system of the body. There is reddish rash over the skin lupus, which is produced by the ultraviolet rays of the sun, excessive exposure of the body to the heat or the ultraviolet radiation of the sun energy. That produces abnormality in the skin tissues, DNA, and when they become abnormal, they are considered as antigen by the immune system of the body, and that come into the action and produces antibody, antigen antibody fight, resulting in the production of cytokine and inflammatory process. So there is reddish rash over the body, especially over the skin, cheeks, and the nose. That is called malar rash, discoid rash. These rashes are the typical characteristic of the lupus. Now, next is the hematological complications. In this disease, lupus, there is reduction in the count of RBC, that is leukopenia, thrombocytopenia, due to which the related symptoms, that is anemia, bleeding, abnormalities and complications, and the body is more prone to the infection due to the low count of the WBC. So these are the hematological complications by the lupus. Next is the bones and the joints. They are also affected by this autoimmune disease. There is arthritis, osteitis, osteoporosis, swelling, pain in the joints. Next is the lungs. The lungs, there is pleurisy, pleural effusion. Then there is exudate formation in the alveoli, due to which the symptoms of distress, shortness of the breath, fever, pain, chest pain on respiration. These are the various symptoms produced due to this lupus, lung lupus pathology. Next is the kidney. Kidney is inflamed. That is called lupus nephritis, due to which there is loss of albumin, RBC, pus cells in the urine, and there is inflammatory changes in the filtration tubules, and that may lead to the kidney failure. Similarly, there is endocarditis, myocarditis, and the pericarditis in the heart that produces various complications, palpitation, variation in the blood pressure, and there is also other complication of the valvular thickening, and there is the function of the heart may be disturbed. Similarly, when the lupus attack brain, that is the lupus cerebritis, there is seizure production, there are tremors, there are onset of the Alzheimer's disease, cognitive function and capacity is decreased, thinking and the memory power is also affected. Similarly, when it affects the eyes, the vision is disturbed, there is also optic neuritis, and there is also blurring of the vision. These are produced. Now, next is the Raynaud disease. When the lupus attack the capillaries of the fingers and the toes, there is nerving of the capillaries, there is loss of blood supply to the tip of the fingers and the toes, due to which there is ischemia, and there is discoloration from white to blue, blue to black. That is due to gangrene formation. So this is a painful condition of the extremities. These produces also, there is fatigue symptoms, loss of weight, loss of appetite. Then there is alopecia. Alopecia, when the lupus attack to the hair follicles, they become weak. Due to the ischemia, there is baldness, and that produces, which is either patchy or is the diffuse baldness due to the ischemia of the the hair follicles. So these are the various symptoms produced by the inflammatory process, and ultimately the ischemia uh, produced by the inflammatory exudate and edema, that produces the dysfunctioning of the related or the affected organs.